Hi guys, so what we are going to need are these nail colors. All of the nail colors and where I got them from will be on the downboard below. Also, those are the 3 brushes I used. So let's get started, shall we? First start with a top coat. I use the one that I've been using recently in all my videos. Is the Rapid Dry that I got from the dollar store. Surprisingly, it actually works. And it's a very big key in protecting your nails is using olive oil. And I would use the virgin olive oil because it's really good for your nails and it protects it, just in case if you use that, you know, that real good expensive nail polish to comparison of the cheap one that I use. And so you want to do that on all of your nails. Now I'm using this aquamarine color on her nails. I'm using this as my base. So for this nail art type of thing, you're gonna need 2 colors. Okay, you're gonna need this one and the other one that I'm gonna use a little later on. And so for this one, I'm just gonna base it down. I did spill a little nail polish there. You gotta forgive me. But yeah, just put it down on there. And try, and you know, you want to do 2 coats of this because it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look very dry on the first cut, but you know, that's just how it is. Now this is when all the things get tricky. Now I'm using my second coat of this nail polish. This is like a dark blue night sky type of color, and I just put it on the tip of her nail, and I use this brush, and this brush technique is really interesting. A lot of Japanese people use it, is that they start at the base and they try to work their way up. So you just need 2 dots of the nail polish and you start working it out. And so I just do that throughout all of the nails. And now looking at that camera, it doesn't look that bad, but once you see the thumb, you'll see it's pretty bad. The first coat does look a little streaky, but it works better once you use your second, like your third coat of this blue tint. And so what you're going to do, you're just going to go upwards. If it goes a little streaky and then you start seeing the base a little bit too much, then I would just brush downward just to cover that. But that's basically what you want to do with your second coat. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take that same blue color and you're going to put the tips again, and this time you're going to do the same thing just like the first time, but only do not cover that second coat. You're going to just do the tips with that dark blue color so you can get that ocean effect where you're getting deeper and deeper into the sea. Now to represent our grains of sand, we're going to take this sparkly top coat, which is really pretty. It got it from Glams, from Michael's. And what you're going to do, you're going to put that on top of there, and so you can have that ocean effect. Now it's time for the shell. Now this is the most trickiest thing I have ever done in my experience of doing nails, and that's like since 6th grade. And so basically what I did, I tried to make as if I was making a fan type of thing. So I did 4 dots, connect the 4 dots, the top part where the stylist is, that part is supposed to look like a wave. And so I'm just making that fan look, and there you go. And now I'm taking my second brush, which is pointy, and I'm taking that with a dark purple, make my little lines, there we go, and try to outline the shell so it doesn't look like a fan, but more it should look like a shell. And the camera is moving a lot because it's speeding through, but yeah, I would just do that, and that will make your shell more easier. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know down in the comments if you would like any more. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!